Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning English from Podcast. I'm Laura.
And I'm Mark. Thanks so much for joining us today.
We're thrilled to have you here. Whether you're a long-time listener or this is your first time with us, we're here to help you improve your English in a natural, conversational way.
Before we dive in, if you're enjoying our podcast, please hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. It really helps us grow and reach more English learners worldwide.
And don't forget to check the description below for useful resources, vocabulary lists, and timestamps for today's episode.
All right, Laura, are you ready to talk about today's topic?
Absolutely. Today, we're discussing something everyone's thinking about right now, planning for 2026.
It's the perfect time to talk about this. A new year means new opportunities, new goals, and fresh starts.
Exactly. And talking about plans is such a common conversation in English. Whether you're chatting with friends, family, or colleagues, people always ask about your plans for the year ahead.
So today, we'll teach you how to discuss your 2026 plans confidently and naturally in English.
Let's start with the basics. Mark, how do we ask someone about their plans?
Great question. The most common question is, what are your plans for 2026?
Simple and direct. You can also ask, do you have any plans for the new year?
Or if you want to be more casual, you might say, any big plans coming up?
Another option is, what are you hoping to do in 2026? This one's a bit softer.
And in more formal situations, like at work, you might hear, what's on your agenda for the new year?
Agenda, that's a good word. It means your list of plans or things to do.
Now, Laura, let me practice with you. What are your plans for 2026?
Well, I'm really excited about this. My main plan for 2026 is to improve my fitness. I've decided to start running regularly.
That's fantastic. Have you started already, or are you waiting for January?
I'm starting in January. Fresh year, fresh start. I'm planning to run 3 times a week.
That's a solid plan. Are you training for anything specific?
Eventually, yes, I'm hoping to run a 10K by the end of the year, but I'm starting small, just building up my endurance.
Smart approach. You don't want to push too hard too fast.
Exactly. What about you, Mark? What are your plans for 2026?
My biggest plan is to learn Spanish. I've been thinking about it for a while, and I've finally committed to doing it.
That's wonderful. Why Spanish?
I'm planning to travel to South America, and I want to connect with people in their own language. Plus, Spanish is such a useful language to know.
Absolutely. How are you going to learn it?
I'm thinking about taking online classes twice a week, and I'll practice with language apps daily.
That sounds like a solid plan. Consistency is key with languages.
You know, Laura, we just used some really useful phrases for talking about plans. Should we teach our listeners these expressions?
Yes, let's do that. There are several ways to express your intentions in English.
The first phrase is, I'm planning to. This shows you have a clear intention. For example, I'm planning to visit my parents in March.
Or, I'm planning to save $5,000 this year. It sounds organized and deliberate.
The next phrase is, I'm thinking about. This is less certain, more tentative. I'm thinking about changing careers.
I'm thinking about adopting a dog. It means you're considering it, but haven't decided yet.
Then we have, I've decided to. This one is strong and definite. I've decided to quit my job and start a business.
I've decided to move to a new city. When you use this phrase, it means your mind is made up.
Another useful phrase is, I'm hoping to. This expresses a wish or desire. I'm hoping to get promoted this year.
I'm hoping to publish my first book. It's optimistic but realistic. You hope it happens, but you're not 100% certain.
And finally, my goal is to, or my plan is to. Very direct and clear. My goal is to learn 1,000 new English words.
My plan is to exercise 5 days a week. These phrases show determination.
Let's practice these together. Everyone listening, repeat after us.
I'm planning to. I'm thinking about. I've decided to. I'm hoping to. My goal is to.
I'm planning to. I'm thinking about. I've decided to. I'm hoping to. My goal is to.
Excellent. Now you have 5 different ways to talk about your plans.
Laura, people make all kinds of plans for the new year. Should we talk about different categories?
Good idea. Let's break this down. The first category is career plans. These involve your professional life.
Right, someone might say, I'm hoping to get a promotion, or I've decided to look for a new job.
My plan is to start my own business. Career plans show ambition and direction.
The second category is learning plans. These are about acquiring new skills or knowledge.
Like your Spanish plan, Mark. Or someone might say, I'm planning to take a photography course.
I've decided to learn how to code. Learning keeps life interesting and opens new opportunities.
The third category is health and fitness plans. These are super popular for the new year.
Yes, I'm planning to eat healthier, or I've decided to join a gym.
My goal is to lose 20 pounds. Or, like my plan, I'm hoping to run a 10K.
Health plans are important because they affect every other area of your life. When you feel good physically, everything else improves.
The fourth category is financial plans. These involve money management.
I'm planning to save more money, or I've decided to create a monthly budget.
My goal is to pay off my credit card debt. Financial plans reduce stress and create security.
The fifth category is travel plans. Everyone loves talking about travel.
I'm hoping to visit Europe this summer, or I'm planning to take a road trip across the country.
I've decided to travel solo for the first time. Travel plans are exciting and give you something to look forward to.
And the last category is relationship and personal growth plans. These focus on your inner life and connections with others.
I'm planning to spend more quality time with my family, or I've decided to see a therapist.
My goal is to make new friends, or I'm hoping to be more patient and less stressed. Now, Laura, we should be honest with our listeners. Plans don't always work out perfectly, do they?
No, they don't. Life happens. Unexpected things come up.
So how do we talk about this in English? You can say, I was planning to, but something came up.
For example, I was planning to start my business in January, but something came up. My mom got sick, and I needed to help her.
Or you can say, things didn't go as planned. I wanted to travel more last year, but things didn't go as planned.
If you're still working toward your goal, you can say, it's a work in progress.
I wanted to lose weight, but it's a work in progress. I'm getting there slowly.
And if you need to change your plans completely, you can say, I've had to adjust my plans.
I was planning to move to New York, but I've had to adjust my plans. I'm staying here for another year.
The important thing is being flexible. Plans can change, and that's perfectly okay.
Absolutely. Flexibility is essential in life. Mark, when someone tells you their plans, how should you respond?
Great question. First, show genuine interest and enthusiasm. You can say things like, that sounds amazing, or what a great idea.
I love that plan, or how exciting. People appreciate when you're enthusiastic about their goals.
You should also ask follow-up questions. This shows you're really listening.
Questions like, when are you planning to start? Or how are you going to do that?
What made you decide to do this? Or have you started preparing yet?
These questions keep the conversation going and show you care.
Before we wrap up, let's review some key vocabulary from today's episode.
First, plan. As a noun, it's a decision about what you'll do. As a verb, it means to decide ahead of time. What's your plan? Or I'm planning a trip.
Second, goal. Something you want to achieve. My goal is to learn Spanish fluently.
Third, commit. To promise yourself you'll do something. I'm committed to exercising every day.
Fourth, flexible. Able to change easily. You need to be flexible with your plans.
Fifth, ambitious. Having big dreams or goals. Running a marathon is an ambitious goal.
And finally, priority. Something that's most important. Health is my top priority.
All right, Mark, we've covered so much today.
We really have. We learned how to ask about plans, share our own plans, and respond to others.
We explored 6 categories of plans and learned useful vocabulary and phrases.
Now it's your turn. We want to hear from you. What's one plan you have for 2026?
Write your answer in the comments below using the phrases we learned today. For example, I'm planning to, or my goal is to.
We read every comment and we love hearing about your goals and dreams.
And if you found this episode helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Learning English from Podcast.
Don't forget to click the bell icon so you're notified when we post new content.
Also, check the description below for a complete vocabulary list, example sentences, and links to related episodes.
2026 is going to be your year. Whatever plans you have, we believe you can achieve them.
Thank you so much for learning with us today. Keep practicing, keep improving, and remember, every conversation is a chance to learn.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone.